Take your welding skills to the next level in the Welding Technology Advanced program at Pinellas Technical College. While in this course, students study intermediate and advanced shielded metal arc welding B-class welder, pipe fitting fabrication techniques, and advanced gas tungsten arc welding skills. Do you have what it takes to become a welder, cutter, or pipe fitter? If so, contact us today at myptc.edu to learn how the 8-month Welding Technology Advanced program can prepare you for the career of your dreams.